Mom says the kid's sensitive. Thinks he takes good care of her. If we don't find anything, why let him know we did it in the first place? What's the point? Why not just make old Foreman lift the key from the kid's backpack? Looks like Luke sleeps in the living room.